Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Supermicro remains steady with no expected changes to fiscal 2024, while Albertsons faces a challenging FTC trial over the $25 billion Kroger deal. The Fed's preferred inflation gauge rises 2.6% Y in July, slightly below expectations. Alnylam sees a dip after releasing full data for its heart drug that could rival Pfizer's offering. Paltalk secures a $65.7 million jury verdict in its patent case against Cisco Systems, and Intel considers options including a foundry split amidst financial struggles. Marvel benefits from AI advancements and increased data center demand, as Apple's potential investment in OpenAI raises concerns about its Google search deal, according to BofA analysts. Stay tuned after the short ad break to learn more. Supermicro Computer announced it doesn't expect significant changes to its fiscal 2024 results despite delaying its annual report. Shares fell 34.3% this month but rose 0.8% in extended trading on Friday after the announcement. The company reassured investors that no major revisions are anticipated.
Albertsons stock dropped 2.2% as the Federal Trade Commission's trial to block its $25 billion sale to Kroger entered its fifth day. Witnesses from C&S wholesale grocers did not support Albertsons' argument, and Raley's CEO countered claims about competition with Costco and Trader Joe's. The trial continues until September 13th.
The core personal consumption expenditures price index, excluding food and energy, rose 0.2% month-over-month in July, matching expectations. Year-over-year, it increased 2.6%, slightly below the expected 2.7%. Including food and energy, the index grew 0.2% monthly and 2.5% annually. Personal income rose 0.3%, while personal outlays climbed 0.5%.
Alnylam Pharmaceuticals stock dropped 14% pre-market after releasing full results from a late-stage trial for its heart disease drug vutrisiran, which could rival Pfizer's tafamidis. Despite meeting primary and secondary endpoints, the detailed data showed a 28% reduction in all-cause mortality and recurrent cardiovascular events. BridgeBio's stock rose 16%.
Paltalk, a communications software developer, won $65.7 million in a patent infringement lawsuit against Cisco Systems. The U.S. District Court for the Western District of Texas ruled that Cisco's products infringed on Paltalk's patent for hybrid server architecture in conferencing systems. Paltalk shares fell 37% pre-market Friday.
Intel may split its foundry business and halt factory projects due to mounting losses. Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs are advising on options like mergers and acquisitions. Recent earnings missed expectations, leading to job cuts and a dividend suspension. The stock experienced its worst day in over 50 years.
Marvel Technology impressed investors with strong financial results, surging 12% in pre-market trading. Key products are being integrated into NVIDIA's Blackwell GPU, Amazon's Trainium 2 AI processor, and Google's Axion CPU. J.P. Morgan raised its price target to $82, while Evercore ISI increased it to $98.
Apple may invest in OpenAI's latest funding round, raising concerns about its search deal with Google, according to Bank of America. Apple receives around $20 billion annually from Google to be the default search engine on iOS devices. OpenAI's ChatGPT will soon integrate with Apple's Siri.
Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Catch you next time with more insights and updates. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.